News Central now this hour begins with the court matters. The case involving the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has once again stalled at the Federal High Court in Abuja. A presiding judge, Justice Binta Nyako, adjourned the trial indefinitely on Monday following Kanu's insistence that she cannot preside over his case after previously recusing herself. Now, Kanu was initially scheduled to appear for a hearing on Monday, February 10, 2025, as stated in a hearing notice addressed to his lead counsel, Aloy Ejimako. Now, he had earlier requested that his case be transferred to the Southeast if no other judge at the Federal High Court in Abuja was willing to handle it, aside Justice Nyako. Now, the Supreme Court has dismissed the appeal filed by Rivers State Governor Sim Fubara challenging the leadership of the State House of Assembly under Martin Amaewhule. A five-man panel led by Justice Uwani Abba-Aji has ruled on the case, awarding a cost of 2 million naira against Fubara, payable to the Rivers State House of Assembly and Martin Amaewhule as first and second respondents, respectively. The court's decision follows the withdrawal of the suit by Fubara's counsel, Yusuf Ali. With this ruling, the leadership dispute within the Rivers State House of Assembly has been settled in favor of Amaewhule's faction. We're still staying with courts. Governor Sim Fubara of Rivers State has withdrawn his appeal against the appeal court judgment, declaring the 2024 budget of the state illegal and ordering him to present the budget to the House of Assembly led by retired Honorable Martin Amaewhule. Now, the appeal court had upheld the judgment of Justice J.K. Omotosho in suit, wherein the court ruled that Governor Fubara should represent the 2024 budget to the House of Assembly led by Martin Amaewhule. Now, by this withdrawal, Governor Fubara has accepted the lower and appellate court's judgment, declaring presentation of the Rivers State budget to 3 members of the State House of Assembly as illegal.
Well, with the kind permission of my learned senior chief, Nnamdi Beku, who led us, SAN, who led us in this matter, for the first and second respondents, that is the Rivers State House of Assembly and Right Honorable Martin Amaewhule. The appeal by the governor of Rivers State was dismissed by the Supreme Court this morning following the notice of withdrawal by the governor of the appeal he filed. Consequently, the decisions of the Court of Appeal and that of the Federal High Court, presided over by Honorable Justice Omotosho J., affirming that the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Honorable Martin Amaewhule, and the other 26 members of the House of Assembly are the authentic members of that House of Assembly and remain so, and that Martin Amaewhule is the leader, that is the Speaker of the House of Assembly. So that is the position today. And I must add that the Court of Appeal had admonished and clearly stated that the House, purportedly being led by a 3-man panel, is not the Rivers State House of Assembly. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. All right, still on the court matter, we have Joshua Imarayi, who is on ground right there to give us more detail on what's going on. Joshua, good afternoon. If you can hear me, can you brief us on the update? All right, we'll come back to Joshua to give us more information. But in the meantime, we move to security matters in Rivers State, where at least 19 people were feared killed in a renewed court clash in Obele community. We'll go back to this story, but in the meantime, let's circle back to Josh. Joshua Imarayi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
All right, Joshua, can you give us an update on what's happening right now? What's the current development?
This morning was after the legal Well, after the legal representative represented the the governor, that's the person of Imarayi Fubara, and the other 27 ex-strange lawmakers, as well as the Independent National Electoral Commission, announced their appearances. The council representing the governor actually notified the court that they were withdrawing a case against the 27 lawmakers that Fubara is arguing that they are illegitimate, considering the alleged fact that they have decamped from the PDP to the APC. These was actually welcomed by the court, who accepted the movement, the notion to move who accepted the motion to withdraw the case. But on the part of the defendant, the other appellants, those who are being represented by their counsel this morning, they said that the case has gone too far for just a very, very immediate withdrawal from the court by the legal representative. The court, however, heard the argument from the legal representative of the governor as well as the 7 lawmakers. But based on the judgment they made this morning, the court affirmed the judgment by the other trial court, that is the High Court, as well as the appellate court, affirming the fact that the other people that the governor of Rivers State presented the budget to are illegitimate, and that the only legitimate party in this case are the 27 makers that are being led by Amaewhule.
All right, thank you so much, Joshua Imarayi.